So I made these little houses to scatter around to make this area feel more alive, like a little town area. I want to have a bunch of different props and things that you can place everywhere to bring more life, like I just said, into this place. It just takes some time to make all of these things. It's not too bad though, because like the style is pretty simple, so 3D models don't take a ton of time, but if I want a lot of them, you know, that's kind of where the time comes from. I think for these houses it'd be cooler if there was more variation in the houses, maybe like some fence posts around or some signs. Maybe the houses look a little different. Some have balconies, maybe. That might be cool. Something to do tricks off of, you know. And I don't want to keep showing too much of the map, because I think when you guys play, it'll be fun to explore a little bit. But it's fun adding these things where it's like just a little winding cliffside or something with a bench at the end. It's obviously not finished yet, as I want to add maybe some regions with different looks, but let me know what you think on what I do have.